A brand connects a lot of media on Airsoft United. It connects reviews, tutorials, unboxings, tech videos, and much more. All the content that has been added with the brand will be listed in the brand page. How to add a new brand on Airsoft United. Click Add Brand. Fill in the brand name. Choose your logo. Fill in the website. Fill in information. Add the social media of the brand. Try to fill in as much information as possible. If you think the brand needs a review from our moderators, click the flag Needs Review. Click Save. Now the brand has been sent to our moderators. To follow the status of the content that you added, click My Content. Here you can see that your brand is still pending. Once our moderators publish the brand, the status will change to Online. Now you can connect the brand to any media. Thank you for watching.